Here we are on deck 9. This is where it all happens. This is where it comes to at night, and also includes your sail away parties from port every day as well. Coming up into the glass house, this is where you can get your food when the buffet closes. They also have a bar here, and as well as the indoor pool and some hot tubs. Just ahead, that's where you can get your teas and coffees all day, every day. And then to the left of that, that is the gym for all you gym goers. And just out the back of the glass house is the Ocean Spa. This is where you can get all your massage treatments, beauty treatments, and the hairdressers as well. As well as a relaxation lounge that is adults only and is open for you during the day, every day. Here's a quick little spin in the gym to show you what they've got. They also have sauna rooms as well, but it is separate male and female, which is included in your all-inclusive. And if you want to pick up any products that are used during your treatments, you can do that here. Here we go onto the outside of deck 9. This is where all the liveliness happens. Plenty of sun lounges and tables and chairs. This is where you've got your outdoor pool, and you've got a big screen for the evening cinemas, and they also do daytime quizzes here, daytime entertainment and evening. At this end of the ship, this is your island's buffet restaurant. This is where you come if you don't want to go to the a la carte restaurants or the specialty dining restaurants. It does get very busy in here, so if you want a seat, then you better get in early. Here we have some lunchtime food still going on. You can see there's a small selection here to choose from. Also, at either entrance, they have these spray hand sanitizers, which are so much better than the old gel glob ones you used to get. And then we've got the bar. Yay! This is a very popular bar, so it does get very busy, but you can always get a drink here as well. Chips, usually fish and chips, and a selection of sandwiches too. And up on deck 10 we have the sun deck and the running track. 4 laps of the running track equals to 1 mile, but this is where you get the best views. As you can see, there are plenty of sun loungers if you do want to soak up the sun on deck 10. They also have the putting green as well. And the climbing wall. And this area is for all you smokers out there. And we also have a bar on deck 10 as well.
What did you?
And last but not least, we have deck 11, where we have the sushi bar restaurant, also the Marella restaurant. These restaurants are paid extra, they are not included in your all-inclusive. And the Surf and Turf Steakhouse.
Alright.
This bar area is what becomes the main disco in the evenings when everything else is shut. They have a DJ here, and also you can get cocktails, which are not included in your all-inclusive either. They are an extra charge up here. And there we have it, your full Marella Discovery ship tour, deck by deck. So here we are on deck 4 on the Marella Discovery, and this is the live room. This is where we have a lot of bands playing in the evenings. It's a very popular room with a lot of cruisers, so popular that sometimes it's a struggle to get a seat, but they do have live bands on in there and some very good acts. And of course you've got the bar. In the afternoons they have a pianist. Then we have the Atrium, which is also has its own bar and a pianist playing in there. Also they do live singing in the evenings in this one as well. Again, this is always packed and there's never an empty seat. Heading towards the back of the ship, we have the restaurant 47 Degrees. This is your main dining room included with your all-inclusive, and this is where you get your meals delivered to you with a waiter service. If you can, go early because it does get very busy, and if you go later on in the evening you will have to queue outside. Every day the menu changes, and it also shows it outside the restaurant, so you can decide whether you want to go there or up into the buffet. And then on the other side of the live room, we have the casino. Consists of a couple of playing tables and some slot machines. Then back to where we started. This is where your Broadway Show Lounge is. So this is where the evening entertainment happens 2 times a night. Here on deck 5 we have the Squid and Anchor. In the afternoons or early evenings they do bingo, and then later on in the evenings they also have entertainment in here, as well as a few quizzes during the day as well. This is where you'll usually meet as well if you've booked excursions before you go onto your excursions. Here on deck 5 is where you'll find your Broad Street shops with all your duty-free accessories, wines, etc., makeups, and they also do flash sales throughout your duration of the cruise too. So pop on down there and grab yourself a bargain. And then here on the left we have reception, where these lovely people will help you with your inquiries and questions. If you get any photos taken during your time here by the photographer, then this is where you can come and view them, as well as on the app. Then just in front is Gallery 47, which is your Italian restaurant, which is also included in your all-inclusive package as well. This menu stays the same for the whole duration of the cruise, so nothing changes on this one. But it is quite tasty, and it also gets a bit busy as well. And these touch screens here is where you can find information about your up and coming ports and any excursions you may wish to purchase. Or if you choose to, you can speak to someone at destination services as well. Decks 6, 7 and 8 are all cabin rooms, with the exception of deck 6 having a coffee port, which is where you can get some coffees, catch up with some emails, and just have a little chill time.